to be making a lava lamp. What do we need? This is what we need. A big glass, some oil, some water, and some food colouring. First of all, we need to pour the water in the glass. Next, we need to fill it up with oil. Now we need food colouring. I put it in a syringe so it's easier. Splat, splat, splat. Now you can see it's slowly going into the oil, making a lava lamp. Try it at home, make your own lava lamp. Thanks for watching! Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos every week.
More videos every week.